The MVB extension identifies a Microsoft Money backup file containing archived personal financial data from Microsoft Money software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you restore or migrate data from these financial backup files. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. MVB files are backup archives from Microsoft Money, a discontinued personal finance management application. They contain complete copies of financial databases including account registers, transaction histories, investment portfolios, budgets, and bill payment schedules. Microsoft Money MVB files use a proprietary compressed format, storing the complete MNY financial database with account structures, transaction records category assignments, reconciliation states, and investment holdings preserved at the backup creation point. Microsoft Corporation defined Microsoft Money Plus Sunset Deluxe as the application primarily intended for MVB. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows is unable to preview encrypted or compressed backups, so specialty tools are needed. To open this specific MVB file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Microsoft Money Plus Sunset Deluxe is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. If the MVB file is still giving you trouble, relax. Because the MVB format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, restoring the backup. Open Microsoft Money. Sunset Edition free from Microsoft and use File, then Restore Backup. Browse to the MVB file and select a destination for the restored MNY database. Money will decompress and restore the complete financial database from the backup. Next, accessing without Money. If Microsoft Money is unavailable, try opening the MVB file in Microsoft Money Sunset Edition, which Microsoft released as a free download after discontinuing the product. The Sunset Edition provides basic file access and data export capabilities. Finally, migrating financial data. Open the restored MNY file in Money and Export Transactions as QF or OFX format. Import the exported data into modern financial software, such as Quicken Winamp or GnuCash. Verify all account balances and transaction histories transfer correctly after migration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.